Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you so much sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. That is your way to help this channel grow. Thank you so much sa inyo. Okay, so let's see, Gemini. What is up for you ngayong week na to, December 30 to January 5? Loyal heart. Being loyal, being committed. So if you are in a relationship, you will stay committed and loyal to your person or to your job, your career, and even to yourself, no? Syempre, tayo meron mga kanya-kanyang goals. And you have to look to be loyal to your goals para mangyari yan, para ma-achieve mo talaga. Regeneration, uy, may pagbabalik. Some of you may be reconnecting with someone romantically. An old flame, kumbaga, no? Pwedeng past, person from your past. Nagkaroon kayo ng romantic connection. Maaring merong pagsasama ulit. It doesn't have to be naman super romantic, no? Pwedeng ano lang, nagkita lang ulit kayo, nagkumustahan, ganyan. And then yung iba naman, this can be yung dati mong interest, dati mong trabaho, career, or dati mong project na hindi mo na ituloy. So ngayon itutuloy mo na. Gagawin mo na siya. And you also have new life, new perspective, new beginnings. Very excited ka sa mga magaganap na pagbabago sa iyong life. I think excited ka na i-welcome ang 2025, no? This week. Let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo parang yung mga romantic connections pwedeng may nagkabalikan dito at pinromise nyo sa sarili nyo that you will stay committed sa relationship. Parang bagong buhay, no? You have the Two of Swords. So, merong major decision making na gagawin. This can be making choices, no? Between two options. So, pwedeng sa career path mo, finances, trabaho, sa relationship. You have the Queen of Cups. Very nurturing and caring. Yung energy ninyo, I feel like you are going to be more creative as well. So, you are tapping into your creative talents, creative skill set. Wow, things are changing for the better sa inyo. And then, okay. Meron ditong, maaring you are obsessing about yung isang pangarap mo. Na yung tipong doon ka lang nakafocus, doon lang yung commitment mo. So, pwedeng itong loyalty na to is loyalty to your dreams. Kaya lang minsan, pag sobra naman tayong hyper-focus doon, may mga bagay na tayong nakakaligtaan or na isasantabi na importante rin naman sa atin. So, pay attention to that na, you have to bring in balance into your life. Dahil, syempre, may mga iba ring nangangailangan sa inyo, 'di ba? Hindi lang doon sa isang aspeto. Let's say you are obsessing about your job or your career. Tapos nakalimutan mo na yung family mo, yung parents mo, yung mga anak mo, na meron din silang needs na kailangan din nila yung attention mo. Or this can be anything na merong kailangan mo rin ng attention. Okay? It can be anything. Yung iba sa inyo meron ditong temptation. I'm seeing here yung temptation na may possibility na merong magawang kalokohan. Okay? So, syempre, hindi naman yung mag-resonate para sa lahat. But, if you feel na medyo alanganin ka dito, wag mo nang subukan kasi baka bumalik rin sa'yo yung consequences ng gagawin mo. Oo. Anything risky, anything na parang medyo illegal. Oo. iwasan. Okay? And I think things are changing for the better sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, mayroong bagong opportunity for a new house, a new living situation, may paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho. And also, you will focus on taking care of yourself, self-care, self-love. Oo. And yung iba, you might be letting go or healing ang inyong isang unhealthy habits, no? Anything that is no longer serving your highest good, you are letting go of that. Kumbaga, ngayong week na to, you will start to live a healthier lifestyle. So, yung iba sa inyo, bumabalik yung inyong lakas. Gusto nyong, maibalik ang inyong sigla. Oo, sa inyong mga ginagawa. Or, this is about your health, no? Gusto mo lang magkaroon ka ng healthier body. Yan, kaya gusto mong ayusin ang iyong kalusugan. Okay, let's see what else. O, diba? Healthier body, bodybuilder. O, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay, nagpapalaki ng katawan. Pwedeng ang trabaho or career path ninyo related sa bodybuilding or modeling na puhunan nyo yung inyong katawan. So, you are really making things better para sa inyo. Okay, you have fork road. So, this is direction, change ng direction. Like what I mentioned kanina, merong kayong gagawing major decision. So, maaring iba sa inyo, may babaguhin kayo sa direction na tinatahak ninyo. Can be a new job, career, or business, or yung projects ninyo. I see you becoming more confident, no? Mas passionate ka, mas assertive ka, mas decided ka sa mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, determinado, no? You also have tandem bicycle, which is synchronization, partnership. So, pwede rin you are going to partner with someone na may pareho kayong adhikain, may pareho kayong pangarap sa buhay. So, I see support from someone who also believes in your talents and your skill set. So, sa money, career, finances, meron kang bagong creative idea na pwedeng magpasok ng income sa'yo. Depende na yan kung paano mo gagawa ng action yan. So, collect your thoughts, collect your energies, no? Kumbaga, kalmahan mo lang at isipin mo kung paano mo yan gagawin. Kasi maganda yung idea na yan eh. Whatever that is, can be a business idea or a project that you want to do or a new career path na gusto mong subukan. Sa love life naman, definitely may new love sa inyo. Merong new love, Gemini. Kaya lang, pay attention sa red flags, no? Meron kayong set of standards pagdating sa relationship. So, tinan nyo, pagmasdan nyo kung itong taong to acceptable yung mga red flags na ipinapakita sa'yo. But, kung masyado ng marami, i-rethink mo muna, pag-isipan mo muna, okay? Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes. This week, you're going to be kinder to yourself. You will focus on taking care of yourself. Oo, hindi masama unahin yung sarili mo kasi, syempre, kailangan maayos ka muna bago ka makatulong sa iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you again.